Introducing SurLuster Revolutionary Car Shampoo, designed to transform your car washing experience. Top-selling car shampoo in Japan and top choice for Japanese car enthusiasts. Our car shampoo cleans dirt with a creamy foam without stripping away your car's wax or coating. SurLuster's car shampoo is most popular and top-selling car shampoo in Japan. Using SurLuster Car Shampoo is simple and easy. Dilute 50 milliliters with 4 liters of water to create a foam. Use sponge and washing gloves and spread the foam from upside to down to remove dirt and dust. Immediately rinse off the shampoo solution with sufficient water and wipe off any remaining water droplets with a clean towel. And with its gentle formula, SurLuster Car Shampoo is suitable for all paint colors, ensuring a flawless shine every time.